had BET Cypher? When we left them Africa, called me the BET Sniper? Yo! Me see how Trinidad James I talk about hard gold everything. Yo, he tell me hard black everything. Hard black shades, hard black durag, hard black shirt tag. Yo, boom, boom, boom. Some boy had drop bars. Bars are swoop. Why not tell them, hey boy, coop. Yo, they already. They watch how does this. Me no business. Me no care. Three acapella cause we want them to hear. Man a warlord no fear. Hard to pilot, we not steer. The killer ha go kill, make everybody cry. So me in a full black like alkaline yai. Yo, cross, I got bars. This rapping thing down to the dirt. Every gangster rapper ha walk in a skirt. Yo, connect fire, KABOOM. Yo, hold the room and get so right. Yo, who know that back the room? Yo, I'm not dropping another bar. Man a grown god, 5-star. Me ha hungry, hey power. Like tire, when they make the car. A so boy body, rule pantar. High hard dance, I can drink Lamar. Yo, Kanye, I got bars. Listen up, me have to know what thing. How the one being if he's still a claim king. When every time we clash, me kill him over steam. Yo, KABOOM, merciless, yeah, cowboy. Bout your hoodie, potential kid stop sing dance hall and down back or watch Zach and Cody. Yo, KABOOM. Somebody tell me Savia that's me no care. But who tell him to put on Jackson 5 here? Who tell you? Huh? Who does I'm telling that? Me a top, you know, don't tell me top. He not Jamaica Vado, did a top a top. No over we the best is like the gully got no shot. Oh no, someone here say DJ Khalid have him a rap. Here, father, you not come back to Jamaica. We not hear no fire no bass. Not he me no say me no Vado. Vado, sure. Oh no, tell him at a run, stop call up me name. While I know he not the tracing game. Come me no like trace and chase on my name. Yo, I got bars. Make me talk, me I say it right now. Popcorn silent, me not even hear. Yeah! 5 cartel that me little popcorn. But since he bleach out, me no know where he gone. Yo, anybody horsey cartel? Anybody horse housing? Them free busy, them free garden. No them free cartel and buju bantan. Yo, KABOOM, boom, boom. Kill any artist with lyrical lead. Reas uno hand if uno want dead. Sure, makes me ham done this. Watch this now. Sure, me no rap, I hear not sing. But test and chin, make me tell you what thing. I heard got my eyes on you. You have everything I don't see. I want your heart, love and emotion endlessly. I can't get over you. KABOOM! You're everything I don't see. I want your heart, love and emotion endlessly. Cause you have good girl and you know it. Yo! You act so different around me. People dead. Cross Henry, me he's a rebel, warlord, grown god, killer, aka the BET Sniper, pan the BET Cypher. Yeah. So of course you know this was not the 5-star grown god general himself, Bunti, but rather I, Kevin Too Crazy. And if you enjoyed this video, what I want you to do is share this video, like this video, and I want you to subscribe to my channel. You know, it's what I does, man. I'm in these streets, I'm out here, boy. I get this money, nigga. Starting to feel like a rapper. But just do that for me, please. You know what I'm gonna say right now, right? Think it, believe it, and live to achieve it. Woo!
Yes, man.